Oh no! I just fucking head. Yeah, I'm sorry, earlier on.
What?
I shot you in the face, man.
Oh, in the back.
You literally walked into my BB.
Yeah,
I was like,
I know.
no!
I know.
I can see the mark on your thing.
Oh my god.
Rough,
no.
man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
It happens, innit?
If I took this job without knowing I would get shot.
Exactly, yeah. It's kind of the hazard of the job, innit? Oh!
I thought he was sagging then.
That was in trenches.
What a throw! I think that's the furthest I've ever thrown one. I had to do it quick because I didn't think it'd light on the wood.
One of my friends, she's on some police. She starts swaying.
There's probably no one even there. Hey! There's dead ants in my beard.
Yeah, he lay down in an ant.
Did you?
Yeah, mate, they're like this big as well.
Too little, too late. Wow, that felt good. Every bit of it is just perfect.
Liz, you need to get the bomb into no man's now.
Yeah, let's get some people on that bomb, let's go.
Right, you ready to go?
Go out and right.
Go out.
Out and right. Go our spawn, mate, go. Go! Good shit, my boy.
Go right.
Ah! Right, break. Go. Yeah. Won't fit, go round.